Wow, let's take a look at this beauty. Unbelievable car right here. 2002 Cadillac Eldorado ETC. The thing that's just nuts about this car, less than 7,000 miles on it, and the condition shows. Odometer reads, I believe, about 6,600. Car came to us out of Tennessee, clean Carfax, and like I said, absolutely incredible. Just take a look at this front fascia, where you typically start to see rock chips, maybe a little road rash, you might say, but just absolutely clean as a whistle. Now, of course, the ETC was the upper level Eldorado. The base window sticker on one of these started out at $45,000. You add the ETC luxury package to that. The sunroof on this car, the diamond white paint, garage door opener was also added, kind of going down through the things. This car was just under $50,000 in 2002. If you haven't driven one of these, they're an absolute dream. I owned an 01. It was one of my favorite cars to drive. Luxurious, quiet, smooth, good economy for this type of car. It does have a 300 horse, 4.6 liter, dual overhead cam, V8 underneath the hood. I don't know what more to say about this. Pictures speak 1,000 words, and this video should really show how clean this car is also. Feel free to check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on the link. It's going to take you right to our website where this is listed. Or call us, 507-386-1726. We're going to walk around the other side, check out the interior. But if you're looking for an example, I guess probably as close to coming off the showroom floor as you can find, this Eldorado is it. No warning indicators on as far as the dash. Like I said, clean Carfax. Car originated out of Tennessee. And I haven't seen nicks, scratches, dings, dents anywhere in this thing. The diamond white paint, absolutely stunning. All the equipment and the power options that this has, they came with stock. I mean, this was the Cadillac to have in 2002. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. Like I said, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this beauty. And again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go look at this interior. And look up and down the driver's side here too. I mean, you don't see the door dings, the scratches, anything like that. Factory wheels, beautiful shape. And all the equipment. All right, just take a look at this interior. First of all, where they always wear at. And the seat and the bolster. Just beautiful, comfortable seats in these, and the condition, just what you'd expect for the miles on it. You can see a security light flashing because I have the door open and is unlocked. Beautiful interior, all stock. Nothing modified on this car, changed since it was original. Beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. And we'll check out the engine bay, make sure that's as clean as the rest of this car. All right, so here you go. There's the miles, 6,611. May get a few more put on it. We move the car around from our storage areas into our main show room floor and what have you. Just want to let you know that. But that's the miles on it. Again, just the seatbelt light was on. Is your dual climate control, heated seats, Bose system, all your goodies. Dash not cracked, clean, just what you'd expect. All right, let's go ahead and slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Power windows, memory seats, power mirrors, all down here. Again, power seats, just incredibly loaded, very smooth running, quiet car. So nicely that closes. Come around to the back. Exhaust, stock exhaust, nice quiet running. North Star V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and pop that hood. I think I can do it with the video on here in a second. Shouldn't be too tough on this one. Struts work properly on the hood, and here it is. Just take a look at this engine bay, how clean this thing is. You can tell it has not been driven in any climate weather, otherwise you'd have a very stained and very dirty hood liner, which you do not. Look at this engine bay. Wow, smooth that runs. A lot of miles left in this sweetheart. 2002 Cadillac Eldorado ETC, practically a $50,000 car back in '02 with under 7,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.